There's about 70 trillion cells in your body. And each cell has an estimated 6 trillion actions per cell per second. Let me say that one more time. The amazing Dr. Deepak Chopra says, the human body has an estimated 70 trillion, so about 50 to 100 trillion cells in your body right now. That's a lot of cells. Anyone know how many zeros that is? I don't know, it's a lot of zeros. I don't think I can count them. There's 70 trillion cells in your body, and each cell has an estimated 6 trillion actions per cell per second. All of those cells are listening to your thoughts, patterns, emotions, indoctrinations, beliefs. Are you with me? So we change all those and the blueprint is different. The energy frequency is different. And now you're not meditating twice a day. Now you're meditating in every single waking moment. You're one. You're one. You're home. In the moment, in every moment.